Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about a very good opportunity for women only, as I have already told this thing in the starting because I don't want to waste anyone's time. So the very first thing that we are going to talk about, that is a job opportunity that you have already seen in the thumbnail in Capgemini for only women, and we are going to talk about everything like how to apply, what is the process, and especially the eligibility criteria, because I have seen many like YouTubers posting this and I have seen this that they are misguiding. So we'll be talking about everything like how to apply, what is the process of application, and the major part will be the eligibility criteria, that is who all are eligible. In many YouTube videos I have seen that they are saying that everyone is eligible. Everyone is not eligible, only it is for women. So we are going to talk about that thing, and we are going to discuss about everything like how to apply, and basically the eligibility criteria we will be discussing, and the syllabus also, and we will be only briefly also seeing about that what will be the interview process and how the assessments will be done. Because the very first thing, that is today is 13th of March and it is midnight, like 11 it is going to be, and the last day to apply is 16th March, that is 3 days after. You have 14th, 15th, 16th. As soon as you see the video, just apply for it. Go in the description, just apply for it. I have mentioned the link, and I have got this notification very late, like I was busy with something, so this notification got very late. So we'll be discussing about that thing, that how to apply, and just apply, because the assessments are going to held like 22nd of March. The assessment will be started and every shortlisting will be done at that point only. So let's start with the video and let's see what is the process of application, very first thing, and about the application process, also about the eligibility criteria also. So let's start. So as you can see on my screen, this is the basic site of Capgemini, that is careers of Capgemini, and this this drive has been announced, like it has been many days, but we are posting bit late. So the very first thing, that is, it is for the engineering MCA batch, that is of 2019-2020 batch, that is only eligible. If you are from 2019-2020 batch, especially only for women, they are eligible. And for the engineering, that is BE BTech and MCA, no other branches are eligible. BE BTech and MCA, that are the streams, that are the things they are eligible. So when you will scroll down, here is the last date that I have already mentioned, that 16th is the last date. And as soon as you see this video, just go and apply that. This is the last date. And when you will scroll down, you will see the eligibility criteria. The very first thing that we will be talking about in this video, that is the eligibility criteria. Let me zoom a bit. When I will zoom this, then you can see on the screen that this is the eligibility criteria. So the very first thing, that is the drive, and these positions are currently open for only women. As I have already told in the starting of the video that this drive is only for women. So the very first point, that is this one, that is it is only for women. Then the next thing that I have already mentioned in the starting of this particular screen only, that is 2019-2020 batches are eligible. No other batches other than this are eligible, no other batches, as clear as that. If you are from 2021 or 2018, you are not eligible at all. Or if you are like a man, or the only women are eligible, that is already clearly mentioned here. This thing is mentioned here only, that only women are eligible. So when you scroll down, like 60% is mandatory if you are in 10th, 12th, and if you are doing your graduation or diploma, then 60% is mandatory in all the semesters, like 60% aggregate is necessary. So the next thing, that is 1 year gap after the high school. When you have completed high school, only 1 year gap is acceptable. And if you have not given, like if you have done your diploma and you have a gap of 1 year, then you are not eligible. That it is clearly mentioned here, that the clearly mentioned this, that after diploma there is no gap allowed. Okay, so the qualification, coming to the qualification, as it is already mentioned here, if you are from any stream, that is not an issue, like, but if you are from MCA, BE and BTech, then only you are eligible. The streams are like IT, information technology, information science, computer science, computer electronics, ये सारी जो branches होती हैं, सारी branches BE BTech और MCA की, ठीक है, तो ये सारी एलिजिबल हैं, ठीक है. बट MCA, BE, BTech, और यहाँ ME MTech के लिए एक चीज लिखी हुई है, ME MTech मस्ट बी द फॉर्म, मस्ट बी फ्रॉम मेंशन्ड स्पेशलाइज्ड ओनली. लाइक इफ यू आर फ्रॉम ME or MTech, if you are doing ME MTech, or like you have done ME MTech in 2019 or 2020 batch, then your specialization are only acceptable in four conditions. That is the very first thing. Information IT से ME MTech किए हो, इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस से की हो, कंप्यूटर साइंस से की हो, या कंप्यूटर से की हो, क्लियरली मेंशन्ड है यहाँ पे, ठीक है, सीधा सीधा यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है कि ये चीजें हैं. or excellent communication skills, excellent written skills. That is the mandatory part if you are going for any round, for any company. You consider any company, name any company, and this point is common for every interview, every assessment, every drive. That is, your communication skills should be very good. So I have made a video on communication skills, like how I improved my communication skills, how I improved my English. So you can see that video. That is the very practical video that I have mentioned everything, and you can consider that. You can see that the link is in the description. There will be a link of career guidance. You can see that playlist, many videos are there that will definitely help you. Then you will scroll down. Like when you will scroll down, you can see that only shortlisted candidate will be invited for the assessment and the selection process. Suppose you submit for the assessment, you register today. Today suppose is 13th, you register today and you get like assessment test on 16th, like after 16th, that is 22nd, the assessment test will be there. Then the assessment test, you will only get the assessment link when the shortlisting is being done. Suppose your shortlisting has been done and you are not shortlisted, you will not get the assessment. As simple as that. It is already written, and it is online interview. Like the selection process, everything will be online, virtual mode will be there, and candidates will be responsible for arranging and appearing for the selection process, which will be conducted online. Like candidates are only responsible, company will not do any arrangements. If they will get the interview call, then they have to arrange according to the network issues, according to the network arrangement. That all things will be done by the candidates only. So when you will see here the selection process, as it is clearly mentioned here, that 5 rounds will be there basically. The very first round, that will be the technical assessment pseudo code round. The next one will be the MCQ round, that will be basically upon the on the English communication test. Then aptitude test will be there. That is the mandatory part if you are going for any job interviews or any assessment, any aptitude. Like first round will be the aptitude. So here also the pseudo assessment, that is the first round, as it is a national, like what to say, the national drive is there for women only. So for shortlisting more people, like for filtration purpose, they have increased the round. That is only the question. Then basically this round is mandatory, that is the aptitude round. This one is mandatory, and this one is also mandatory. This one is, like, all the rounds are mandatory, but these are rounds that is important, very important rounds are this. That is English is checked in every round. Like your communication skills will be checked, then your written skills will also check, like how much verbal do you know, how much grammar do you know. So basic knowledge of grammar is mandatory. When you will scroll down, you can see here the registration button is there, that is register now. You can click on this and you can register. I will show you. Just click on this register now button. If I click here, a page will come that is for the registration purpose. Suppose I like enter my college name. If you will enter your college name according to your network speed, the college name will be popped out. As here you can see there, this is the college name, that is my college name. I have entered my college name. So when you select this, field will automatically appear, that is for the email. You will enter this email. Suppose I enter my email, that is suppose ANURAG2410. Suppose I have entered my email. I will click on proceed. That as simple as that. A page will come. This is a basic page, a very simple forms are there. Like for if you are going for any assessment or any off campus drive, anything, the forms are simple. The very, like, it will be lengthy, but it will be simple. It is a general form. A general information will be taken from you, and here general, if you are from general gender, if you are from female only, then only you are be getting the assessment link, then only you will be getting the test link. Everything will be getting, because as it is already mentioned that this is only for the female. It has been already mentioned in the starting only. So you have not to fill anything. This is only for the record purpose. There is a common form. They don't design form for every batch, every recruitment. There is a common form they design for that form, for that recruitment only, and then like it will be shared to every recruitment process. Like for the Capgemini, if the Capgemini common interviews or common recruitment comes, this form only will be used there also. So it is mentioned here gender. बहुत लोग कहते हैं कि यहाँ 2019, 20, 21 सब mentioned है, but फॉर्म में लिखा है कि 20 बस है, तो 20 ही बस मेंशन होगी, बिकॉज वो चीज ना, वो कॉमन फॉर्म होता है जो सारा चलता है, ठीक है। उस चीज पे ध्यान मत दो। जो मतलब जो इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है ना, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया, वो बहुत होती है सारा कुछ समझने के लिए, इस वजह से इतना ज्यादा ब्रीफली समझा रहे हैं, ठीक है। यहाँ पे सारा कुछ भर दोगे नेक्स्ट, उसके बाद ये वाला आएगा, ठीक है। ये वाला एकेडमिक भर जाएगा, कंफर्म भर जाएगा, कंप्लीट प्रोफाइल, एनरोल, ये सारे प्रोसेस जब हो जाते हैं, उसके बाद 16 को लास्ट डेट है, 16 खत्म होगा, 22 को असेसमेंट के लिंक्स आएंगे, लिंक्स आ गए, उसके बाद असेसमेंट होगा, असेसमेंट 1-2 दिन दिन में जो भी है, जब भी है 22 को 23 को जब भी होगा, असेसमेंट क्लियर हो जाएगा, उसके बाद इंटरव्यू होगा, धीरे धीरे सारा कुछ मेल पे आएगा। तो उसमें चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं, सारा कुछ मेल पे आता ही है, उसमें कोई सोचने की जरूरत नहीं, दो राय नहीं है। ये सारा मेल कर दोगे ना, मतलब ये सारा कंप्लीट कर लोगे, एक मेल आएगा कंफर्मेशन का दैट यू हैव कंप्लीटेड योर दिस, लाइक एक एक्नॉलेजमेंट का बेसिकली मेल होता है कि तुमने ये सारी चीजें कंप्लीट कर ली, उसके बाद ये चीज आया है, ठीक है। तो उसमें चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है, डोंट you don't need to panic about that thing. So this was all about it. So in this video we have talked about everything, like it was a detailed video. I have tried to explain everything like about the eligibility criteria, because I have seen many videos, they are misleading, like they are saying that 2021 is also eligible, 2022 are also eligible. It is not the thing. Only 19 and 20 batches are eligible, and only females are eligible. That I have already cleared in the starting of the video, so that you don't waste your time. Like आप ऐसे ना हो कि हाँ आप लड़के हो, आप सारा वीडियो ही देख रहे हो, लास्ट में हम बता रहे हैं कि आप फीमेल बस एलिजिबल है। ऐसा कोई मोटिव नहीं, स्टार्टिंग में इसलिए बता दिया कि फीमेल्स बस एलिजिबल है। सपोर्ट करना है तो आप लोग सपोर्ट करोगे, और भी वीडियोज आती रहती हैं डेली, कोशिश करते हैं डेली वीडियोज लाने के। तो ये सारा चीज था। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। ऐसी वीडियोज आती रहेंगी। अगर आपको मेरे व्लॉग चैनल में इंटरेस्ट है, नीचे जाओगे डिस्क्रिप्शन में, वहां पे ब्लॉग चैनल का लिंक मिल जाएगा। डेली तो वीडियोस नहीं आ पाती हैं, हफ्ते में एक दिन, हफ्ते में 2 दिन कोशिश करते हैं वीडियोस डालने का। लाइव जरूर जाते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे और यूट्यूब पे भी अब लाइव जाने लगे हैं, तो आप लोग कनेक्ट कर सकते हो वहां से। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द वीडियो। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। वी विल मीट यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, सम मोर इन्फॉर्मेटिव टॉपिक्स। सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट इट। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।